The long-awaited day has arrived. The expressions are coming back to plain English. I know. Back in November, I started to tease this special super secret project I was doing. I said I needed a little extra time to work on it, so I was going to pause creating new expressions for a while. And you know what? I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm not going to make excuses. I'll just say this took a lot longer than what I was expecting. But it's time to pull back the curtain on a brand new podcast called Essential English Expressions. This new podcast, Essential English Expressions, is all about teaching you the most important expressions that you need to be using in English right now. Essential English Expressions comes out in seasons, and the exciting news is Season 1 is already available. That's 14 episodes packed with useful advice and real-world examples, all for you. So if you are learning English, I want you to do two things right now. First, I want you to search your podcast player for Essential English Expressions. If you can't find it, it's okay. Click the link in the description of this episode. That's the first thing to do. Find Essential English Expressions in your podcast player. The second thing I want you to do is follow or subscribe to that podcast and listen to the first episode. After you listen to the first episode, you'll be hooked. I'm not worried about that. Because if you like listening to plain English, if you like our approach, the way we tell stories, or if you like the speed of the audio, if you like any of that, then you'll love Essential English Expressions. Oh, and by the way, in case you're worried, there will be no change to this Plain English podcast. No change whatsoever. We'll continue to do episodes about current events and trending topics every Monday and Thursday. Essential English Expressions is in addition, and of course, it's free. So remember, you have two things to do. Number one, search Essential English Expressions in your podcast player, wherever you're listening right now. Just search Essential English Expressions, and once you find it, click follow or subscribe, and then listen to the first episode. Do that right now. Essential English Expressions.